Remove background in any photo with Adobe Photoshop in just one click. Yeah, that's right, in just one click you can quickly remove the background from any kind of photo you like in Photoshop, and we will apply the trick on these 3 photos in today's video. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here I have the first image and we want to remove the background. Yeah, this background is also very beautiful, but we want to remove it. And how to do that? Well, let's make a copy of this layer to always have a backup. That's why we're creating a copy. Okay, you can copy the background layer by pressing the Ctrl and J on your keyboard, or you can just grab this layer down to this plus icon like this to make a copy. Or just select the background layer and press Ctrl and J to make a duplicate. Now go to the select menu and click on subject. Yeah, that's right, just one click, subject. And the Photoshop will automatically detect the subject in the photo and creates a selection of it. Like this. And the magic is just a 1 second away. Click on this mask button. Yes! The background is now removed. Wait, you must be wondering there is still a background. Wait, let me hide the bottom layer. We made the copy one because of the backup. Let me hide it. And there you go. The background is now removed. And look at that. The Photoshop did the job very efficiently. Look at these hairs. And the background is now totally removed. You can see the background is removed. You can use this image or you can place any kind of a background on this image. And let's do this trick to this second one. Create a duplicate by pressing Ctrl J. Duplicate is made. Go to select menu, click on subject. And this will do the job very well. And click on this mask button. And there you go, the background is now removed. This is the image. Let's do this with the third image. Same technique, same trick. Make a copy of this background like this. Go to select and subject. Wait for a few seconds to get the selection ready. The selection is now ready. Click on this mask button like this, and the background is now removed. As you can see, the background is removed. Okay, so you must be wondering, why am I creating mask? Because there is always a second way if your selection is not done properly. For example, let me go to the first image. For example, if you don't want this part of the hair in the image, like you want to remove this part, so there is a quick way to do that. Go to the brush tool. Select the foreground color as a black because the mask is in black color. Black color of the mask hides the subject, okay? And the white color reveals the subject. As you can see in this thumbnail, if your thumbnails are not like this, the big one, you can always go ahead and right click on the thumbnail and select them as a large thumbnails. For example, if you are not getting the thumbnails or you have the small thumbnails like this, just go ahead and click on large thumbnails to get the thumbnails as big as mine. Black color conceals and white color reveals. As you can see in this thumbnail, our subject is totally in white color, which means the black color is hiding the background. Yes, that's right. If we paint black color on it, this will be hidden like this. Now you can see this is hidden. And if you paint white color on this subject again by toggling between black and white, you can also toggle between them by pressing the X key on your keyboard. Paint white back again, and there you go. You get the background again. So that's why we are creating mask. So you can use this technique. So you can use your subject in any kind of a background you want. And I did the same thing in the previous tutorial where I showed you how to blur the background. And if you want to learn how to blur the background, the video link will be in description below. So that's it. This is the trick. Okay, so you are seeing this trick is working efficiently on my Photoshop version because I am using the latest version of Photoshop. This trick might not work, or you may not see this subject option in the select menu if you are using an older version of Photoshop. And if you are using the later versions, the 2021 or 22 or 2020, you will see the subject option. Okay, so that's it guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. So make sure to hit the like button, subscribe the channel, these kind of tutorials, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye.